Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday Math Extravaganza. So, right now, you should be in the room with geometry and algebra students all together. The idea is that today is going to be a day where you're going to be working through one of the three-act math problems. I know the algebra students have done that a little bit more frequently, but the idea is that you're working through a real-life problem, and the main focus on this is going to be to collect data and look at how you're able to communicate. So this is what we call baseline data, and I'm using it for myself to be able to help to chart how you guys are developing as you move along. So do the best you can. It will count as a formative grade, but the idea is focus on how do you communicate using math. So this is the problem. This is actually a video that appeared on TV regarding a football commentator and also a football player.
How about Rich and the 40? So here we go again. Rich, miles per hour with strides. That's going to be the first thing you see. Let's check it out. What are we looking at here? What are we topping out? 16.0. All right, here we have Rich versus Julio Jones. Full speed. Rich, you got to stay in the picture. All right, how about with a 10-yard lead? And here comes Julio. Okay, now versus Julio, half speed. No, not half speed.
So, this is once again. This is the guy over here. This is the guy who is just a commentator for football, and then this is actually a wide receiver for the Falcons. So this is Julio. This is Rich. Now they've gone through and they've shown that Julio is obviously really really fast, right? So who do you think is going to win in a 40-yard dash? If this guy, so this is going to be Julio. Julio gets half speed, and then Rich goes at his full speed. So let's watch the start of this again.
Now versus Julio, half speed. No, not half speed.
So your task now, and as you work through this, is to figure out who will win. So as you're working through it, you're going to be filling out this worksheet. This is going to start with Act 1. So this is the part that you're going to be able to explain now. And Mr. Buren's going to hand this out for you. And you're going to want to write down what is the focus of this problem, who will win, and guess. After you go through that, you're going to be able to go through and look at the other pieces, which is what information do you need to be able to figure out a solution. And then you're going to keep on going. You're going to work through and eventually figure out some other questions about this. So as a result, we're going to keep on going from here. You're going to work through this with Mr. Buren, and he's going to help you get to the point where you're able to work through each of these steps. So after each slide, you're going to want to write down your answer. And then don't change anything you wrote on there. You're going to go back again now and then go back to your worksheet with now, this is like Act 2. What information do you need? And you're going to fill out your worksheet. Then you're going to get the information. You're going to go through, use your justification. You're going to get the solution, etc. And eventually, you're going to fill out the entire worksheet. Like I said, step by step. We're going to pause, go to each slide individually, and eventually get to the end. And at the way bottom, you're going to assess your own communication using the rubric provided. So once again, I want you to do the best that you can. The idea is that you're answering the solution and answering this problem, showing me full mathematical communication as to why you are picking that answer, and then I'll be using that for my own baseline data. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to your solutions. Bye.